Hey everyone! Today, let's talk about something we hear a lot in the news, but might not fully understand: inflation. And to make it super fun, we're diving into it with some claymation magic. So, what exactly is inflation? Imagine you have a piggy bank full of coins. One day, you could buy a candy bar for just 1 coin. But a year later, that same candy bar costs 2 coins. That's inflation in action. It means the prices of goods and services are rising over time. Why does this happen? Well, there are a few reasons. First, the demand pull effect. If everyone suddenly wants candy bars, the demand goes up and so does the price. Next, the cost push effect. If it costs more to make candy bars because sugar prices have skyrocketed, the price of the candy bar goes up too. Central banks also play a role in inflation. They control the money supply. Imagine if your piggy bank suddenly doubled in coins overnight. More coins chasing the same number of candy bars leads to higher prices. That's why central banks manage how much money is out there to keep inflation in check. But wait, is inflation always bad? Not necessarily. A little inflation is actually a sign of a growing economy. It encourages spending because people know that prices will go up in the future. But too much inflation can be harmful. It erodes purchasing power, meaning your coins buy less and less over time. There's also deflation, which is the opposite of inflation. It's when prices go down. This might sound great, but it can lead to big problems. If people expect prices to keep dropping, they might stop spending money, hurting businesses and leading to job losses. So, how is inflation measured? Economists use something called the Consumer Price Index, or CPI. It's like a giant basket filled with all sorts of goods and services. By tracking how the total cost of this basket changes over time, they can figure out the inflation rate. To sum it up, inflation is all about the rise in prices over time. It can be driven by demand, costs, or money supply. It's a balancing act that central banks manage to keep the economy healthy. And while a bit of inflation is normal, too much can be trouble. Hope that makes inflation a bit clearer for you. If you enjoyed this claymation explainer, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you next time.